Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials. The DBX 286 does not supply phantom, so provide 48V from a mixer or box if your condenser mic needs it. Once done, patch the mic into the mic input via XLR and route the output to your audio interface or mixer with XLR or TRS. Make sure the input pad is set appropriately for loud sources and set both preamp gain and output to unity. This gives you a neutral baseline to hear what the processors will do. Now you shape tone and dynamics. You enable the compressor and set a moderate ratio, for example 3:1, then lower threshold until you see about 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on loud passages. This controls peaks without crushing. Next, engage the de-esser and sweep its frequency control to tame harsh sibilance, making subtle adjustments. Add enhancer sparingly, boost low for warmth, high for clarity, and dial the expander/gate just enough to reduce room noise without chopping tail. Finish by running a full level test. Speak or sing at performance level and adjust the output so your interface peaks around -6 dBFS. This leaves headroom. You should monitor with headphones and listen for distortion, phase issues, or excessive noise. If something sounds wrong, make sure the input pad, gain staging, and compressor makeup are not boosting into clipping. If problems persist, set everything back to Unity, bypass processors one at a time, swap cables, and test the mic on another preamp to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.